I love shoog. Shoog is so good. Oh hey! I didn't see you there. What's up, gamers? You guys are manly, right? When you play Minecraft, you don't do creative mode. You don't even do easy mode. You do hard mode. Or hardcore even. You don't care that when you die you lose all your items. You just keep going. You just keep on playing. That's what you're like, right? Cool guy. Yeah, we came to the right place. You know, because does this happen? Does this happen to you? Hello everybody and welcome to my Minecraft. As you can see, I have a special friend inside of my house. Time to go look. Obviously this is legitimate Minecraft world. I built this. That is my special friend, Mr. Bill Gates. Hello, Mr. Bill Gates, my special friend. Perhaps he would like something. Perhaps. May I give him some saloon? Yes, Mr. Bill Gates. Alright, well apparently Mr. Bill Gates doesn't enjoy slime balls. Maybe I got something else for him. Some beets, Mr. Bill Gates. Some beets. Ooh, I should have one. Oh yeah, so delicious. So delicious. Oh, perhaps. What? 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 Bill Gates, no! Bill Gates, where are you going, Bill Gates? Come back! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is it, oh my god, this is it, oh my god, 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 oh my god. Bill Gates just left me! Just like the real Bill Gates. I gotta rebuild my house now. I gotta do all this shit. We gotta go. We gotta go. A very sad sight indeed, watching someone play Minecraft, trying their best and just failing to succeed. Probably because they eat too much soy and they don't watch enough Joe Rogan and they don't have enough testosterone that's just naturally created in their body. So clearly they have to supplement their Minecraft world with other things besides wooden doors. And wouldn't you like to know how to do that? Not use wooden doors in your Minecraft. You might be thinking we're gonna use some iron doors or something. No. We ain't about that. If you're going against some hardcore zombies, all right, they don't care even if you got iron doors. All right, we're gonna show you something crazy. This is from the mod Create. It makes you create cool stuff. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the tutorial. This is where I actually teach you something. Did you think this was just going to be me running around being stupid the whole time? No, absolutely not. Alright, so this is a drawbridge. Alright, you got your boy Donkey Kong on the other side, and you want to feed him some bananas, right? Other side of what, exactly? We'll check this out. Ooh, there's a lava lake, but look at... You can put it down, and you're safe. Now this guy is crazy. Alright, so we're going to break this all down. We're going to show you how to make this. Alright? So, yeah. Here we go. Put that bad Larry back in there. Alright, so first of all, first thing you gotta know about this here mod is you need power to do things. You need power. How do you get power? Well, in here it's rotational power specifically, right? So you might have just saw I had some water, right? And I had a water wheel. So yeah, that's how we're getting this rotational energy. So we, oop, don't mess that up. I got this little setup right here so you can see, how we set it up. You want to have some space at the top, and you want the water to kind of drape over it like a nice blankie over a bed, right? Cool, so you got that dude spinning away. Alright, so that's the first step in this mod. And there's other ways to get rotational energy, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Skadoosh. Skadang. Alright, so you want a way to move the power, right? So we got ourselves some vertical gearboxes, and we got some shafts. With shafts, you can move it linearly, like this, and then you get a vertical gearbox, like so, and then you can, look at that, you can move it down. Right, so then you get another one of these bad boys, get another one of those vertical gearboxes to put it back to that horizontal position. And then where this is, I mean, you could have all kinds of these, you know, going all over the place, right? You can have this going through one door, and you got it going through another, and then you got it going like down the hallway or whatever. You know, it doesn't have to be a straight path like this, but just to show you guys, that's how we do it, right? So screw all that stuff. We don't need it right now, right? We just need a bananas for Donkey Kong. So now that we have all that set up, we need a couple items. We need a mechanical bearing, we need a sequence gear shift, and then we need these radial chassis, right? We only need 2 of them, not that it matters because we're in creative mode. But so we put this guy down here. This is the thing that's going to tell this mechanical bearing. Oops. Going to tell this mechanical bearing when to go and when to stop and what direction to do it in, which is important. Because you can royally mess up your entire build if you do this incorrectly, and it can like break a bunch of blocks. So yeah, so now we got all these pieces down. So the next thing you want to do, before you start making your door frame and stuff, is go into here, and you want to see this UI going up, right? So you use your scroll wheel on your mouse, you just scroll up, and then it'll make a new instruction. So we want this one, that's await, so it's awaiting a redstone pulse. In Minecraft, if you're a simpleton, you don't know what a redstone pulse is. It's basically like the electricity system in this game, right? So we got rotational energy, we got some electrical components that tell us when to use our rotational energy, right? That's a bunch of big words. Don't worry about it. We're just making cool shit, right? So we got this thing that's gonna, it's gonna tell us when to move stuff, right? So this guy's confused now, right? Because it just moved one way, and that's it. We didn't add any other prompt. We have a wait redstone signal, but it doesn't mean anything, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll wheel up again, and we got another one of these guys. And then we just use our scroll wheel over this delay, or whatever this is, and we can change it to this, turn, right? Because we got the first one was turn, that turned it initially, and then we got the second one. But they're going the same way, right? So it's just going to go in a circle, so we just want to swap this guy, this, to go the other way. All right, and then it ends the thing, right? Cool, because we don't want it to do anything else. So, like I said before, you know, always make sure that your door is in the upright position, like this, right? Before you add your glue, you do everything, right? So now we know. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Cool. We got our 4 blocks. We got on with the wrench. We adjusted. Perfect. And voila! That is how you have a door that works, or a drawbridge rather, in Minecraft Create. You don't have to worry about your zombies coming in and fucking with your pet frog Bill Gates. Oh, you can just make a door like this, and it'll do the job just fine. Hey guys, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'll catch you later in the next one. I'll see you dudes on the flip side. Ooh. Ooh.